To get the free SSL certificate for your WordPress site on Namecheap, follow these steps. Log into your Namecheap account, go to the Namecheap website and sign in with your credentials. Access cPanel, navigate to the domain list and find your domain. Click the Manage button, then select the cPanel option to enter your hosting control panel. Use Let's Encrypt. In cPanel, scroll down to the Security section. Look for SSL TLS status or Let's Encrypt. Click on it to see available SSL options. Select your domain. Choose your domain from the list to generate a free SSL certificate using Let's Encrypt. Install the certificate. Click the option to issue or install the SSL certificate. The process may take a few moments. Verify installation. After installation, go back to SSL TLS status to confirm that the SSL certificate is active. Configure WordPress. In your WordPress dashboard, update the site URL to use HTTPS. You may also want to install a plugin like Really Simple SSL to manage SSL settings automatically.